In this short video, we are going to be the updates of Clinical Key in this 2021. As you can see, the web page of Clinical Key has changed, and now we are going to see all the contents into different blocks related to clinical content and deepen your knowledge. As always, we have the search box here in Clinical Key where we are going to have, as always, our searches in natural language or by acronyms. And of course, we can filter in different type of contents. Let's do an example and see the results here in Clinical Key. In this case, I am going to write, and as you can see, it's all the results that are like my search are going to appear approximately, of course. And in this case, I am going to search for rheumatoid arthritis, and let's see all the results and how it appears in Clinical Key. In this case, we have this toggle that it's the classic view and it's the most common that it's going to appear. And we are going to have the filters by type of content, by specialty, and by dates. Not fixed dates, uh, only the last 5, 3, 2, and by months. In the middle, we are going to have all the results that we have in Clinical Key in full text. Some of them, remember that we have the PDF of books and journals. And for downloads, the ones of books, remember that you need to be in your user to download all the PDFs in Clinical Key. Another thing that we are going to see in the Portuguese version, it's going to appear results in Portuguese. These results are related to journals that we have in Portuguese in Clinical Key. Well, going back to the results, as you can see, we have this toggle of classic view, and we can change it to the new view. The first thing different that will appear is this third column that we have this clinical overview with all the clinical overview related to rheumatoid arthritis that we are going to see right now. Well, the results here in the new view are sorted by, in this case, relevance, but not only relevance, we can change it to date, but it will appear the first four at least will be related to clinical results. In this case, clinical overviews, but it can be guidelines and information related to clinical things. So in this case, we are going to go to this clinical overview. And as you can see, we are going to find these different tags in different colors that will help us to go directly to that part of the clinical overview. In this case, for example, diagnosis related to rheumatoid arthritis, and Clinical Key will give us to this specific point in the clinical overviews. Remember that in Clinical Key we have all this information that related to the clinical overview, in this case of rheumatoid arthritis, that it's built by a team of Elsevier that it's always working on updating this information. Going back to the results, we also have this new content in Clinical Key that it's related to the clinical calculators. We have also the opportunity to filter by calculators, and let's go, for example, at this calculator where we can see more in-depth information of this calculator and use it. All the calculators in Clinical Key has this information, and of course all the references related to the calculators. As you can see, we have a big list of different calculators. For example, if we go to another one related to neurology, we have different ones in each of these points. To go directly to the clinical calculators, the best thing is going to directly to Clinical Key and navigate inside the calculators and go directly. But as you can see with this example that we saw before, with the search, we are always filtering and going directly to this information. Also, if you didn't know, you have different type of content like clinical overviews, drug monograph, guidelines, patient education, but also you have clinical comparison reports, adverse reaction report, drug interaction report, drug identifier, and do not crash list. As always, with information about books, journals, and procedures and content in multimedia. Remember that in Clinical Key we have the resource center that we can use for see new videos and updates in Clinical Key. You can click on Resource Center and you will have resources, content, training, but also a specific page for Portugal. Going down in International Resources Center and going directly to the one to Portugal, you are going to see information in Portuguese with not only access, updates of content and download resources, also in um, and here you will have trainings, and in trainings you will be updated with all the videos and different cases using Clinical Key in English and in Portuguese. I hope this information is helpful for you.